Welcome to today's episode of Hawk Talk. Along with our sister program Red Hawk News, we will continue to take you deeper into the world of ACIT with special features, interviews, and a few other surprises. The week before winter break, ACIT held a Spirit Week with themes surrounding the holidays and finished it off with a festive pep rally.
Before break, ACIT held a Winter Spirit Week from December 16th to the 20th. On Monday, the theme was Merry Monday, having to wear festive wear. Tuesday, dress as your grade. Wednesday, Polar Express Day. Thursday, Hawaiian Day. Friday, Red Hawk Day. Throughout the week, points were tallied for participation, with the senior class coming in first place with 65 points. On the 20th, a pep rally was held for all grade levels throughout the school day.
It's not surprising that the seniors won Spirit Week. In every pep rally, the screams of the class outdo the juniors. Along with amazing Spirit Weeks, our school offers a work-based learning program that allows seniors to work in or outside of the school. Bianca Ruiz is a senior in the engineering program. She balances school, her home life, and an internship at Atlantic City Electric. Ava has more.
On today's edition of Day in the Life, we had the opportunity to talk to a senior in the engineering program, Bianca Ruiz, about her internship experience and how it's been beneficial to her future career.
I intern at Atlantic City Electric, and I work on different projects that they assign me. We use programs like MathCAD and STAD, which are used in civil engineering. So my best friend actually told me about this internship during the summer for engineering students, and she basically wanted us to do it together, and we did it over the summer, and then I extended it into the school year.
Can you tell me some skills or lessons you've learned that you think will really benefit you in the long term?
One thing that I've learned a lot is to communicate with others. It's in asking for help. Without that, I wouldn't have gotten very far in this internship, so being able to make network and connections has helped a lot.
Although this internship is beneficial to Bianca's future career endeavors, it doesn't come without its challenges. So how do you balance school, the internship, and your personal life?
That's something that I'm still trying to do, but I'm trying to do that by avoiding to procrastinate and to actually get my work done and to avoid, any distractions.
Can you describe what a typical day looks like at your internship?
It usually starts by, I leave here around 11:30, and then I'll get my ride there. I usually stop by my desk and prep my computer, and I usually talk to my supervisor, who usually tells me whatever projects that I'm working on, and she'll help me to narrow my focus and to help me with whatever I need.
For Red Hawk Media, I'm Ava Luciano.
You can apply for a summer internship when you turn 16. Keep an eye out for Ms. DeMayo's emails with information and the links to apply attached. They are paid and something I'm definitely looking forward to next year. We'll be right back after this quick break.
Today, Friday, January 17th, ACIT will hold its annual talent show. ACIT's Got Talent gives students of all grades a chance to show off their talents and put on a performance. The show will start at 6 p.m. Tickets are $8 online and $10 at the door. Non-ACIT students are welcome, and ticket prices will remain the same. All proceeds benefit the class of 2026. We were able to attend a rehearsal earlier this week and ask contestants a few questions about the show. What is your name?
Alicia Seward. Isabella Lewis. I am Fiore Parker.
My name is Josh Waitman.
What are you doing for your performance?
I'm singing and dancing. A solo contemporary piece. I am dancing.
Me and my friends are doing This Is Me from The Greatest Showman in ASL.
What are you looking forward to the most?
Just getting on stage. Just performing for everyone. Just being on stage again, because I've danced ever since I was young. It's just good to be back up there.
Just performing on the stage with my friends.
What made you want to do the talent show?
My love for performing arts.
I'm in the dance academy, and we perform twice a year, but I like performing more than that.
It sounded fun to me, well, most of all, and second, I was just like, this is a good opportunity for me to get back into dance, so I just took the opportunity.
When and how did you discover your talent?
I discovered my talent way back when I was 3, when I started dancing on stage, and then eventually I started singing, and that's how I'm here today.
I started dancing 3 years ago, and that's when I discovered that I really love it and that I'm talented.
Several years ago when my mom first put me into dance.
It was 6th grade, middle school. We did Annie Junior.
How confident are you in your performance?
I would say very confident.
Like a 10 out of 10. I love it.
I am confident, but I'm not like overly confident.
I'd say on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably an 8.
Do you hope to take your talent further in the future?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, my goal is to be a professional ballerina.
Yes, I do.
Definitely, yes.
We look forward to seeing you there. For Red Hawk Media, I'm Brian Cruz.
ACIT's Performing Arts program is holding their annual spring musical. Come down to ACIT's PAC on February 27th and 28th at 7 p.m. or March 1st at 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. to see the 2025 production of Cinderella. We hope to see you there!
The talent show is tonight, and I heard it has a variety of acts including singing, dancing, an ASL act, and even live music. You should all come out and watch your fellow Redhawks. Speaking of talent, Chef Matt is sharing his family's way of making sushi bake in a new episode of Cooking It Up. Sushi bake is deconstructed sushi with rice and filling mixed together and seaweed on the side. Let's toss it over to Matt in the kitchen and see what's cooking.
Welcome to today's episode of Cooking It Up. I'm your host, Matthew Wan, and today I'll be making a dish I learned from my sister, sushi bake. Preparation comes first before making any dish. You're going to gather these ingredients: Kewpie mayo, sriracha, white jasmine rice, rice wine vinegar, oil, onion powder, paprika, salt, garlic powder, pepper, furikake, sesame seeds, salmon, and nori, or seaweed. Start with preparing your rice. I suggest making it in advance. Pour rice into a rice cooker pot and rinse it until the water is somewhat clear. Once clear, slowly fill the pot with water one more time. Stick the end of your pointer finger on top of the rice and fill the pot until the water reaches this line on your finger. Then let it cook in a rice cooker. Now you gotta prepare your salmon. Season them with the usual salt and pepper. I also added garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika as well. Then drizzle it with oil. Put them in your air fryer at 350 degrees for 18 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Once the rice is done and the salmon is cooking, put the rice into a baking tray and pour rice wine vinegar and sesame seeds. Mix that around and then lay the rice evenly in the tray. Pour furikake evenly over the rice as well. Now that the salmon is done cooking, put them into a bowl, and then use a fork to mash the salmon like this. Add sriracha and Kewpie mayo into it and mix it well. Begin to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour your salmon mixture on top of the rice evenly, and add more Kewpie mayo and sriracha in a pattern like this. Then finally, add more furikake and crumbled seaweed on top. Cover with aluminum foil and bake in the oven for 15 minutes. And that's how you make sushi bake. Of course, this isn't the only way you can make it. A lot of other recipes contain imitation crab instead of fish. But personally, this version of the dish has been my favorite of mine because of how my sister makes it. Thank you for tuning in for Cooking It Up. I'm Matthew Wan, and I'll see you in the next one.
Great job on that sushi bake, guys. Do you want to know what you can do in your industry? All ACIT students, this is for you. ACIT's annual job fair is around the corner. On February 26, all students will be able to visit the fair from 10 a.m. till 1 p.m., located at Main Street and the cafeteria in Main. You can meet professionals who actually work in your academy industry. You can also learn about new programs and educational opportunities as well. This is also a great opportunity for those looking for work-based learning and even a job after graduation. The athletic schedule is packed this month, with a lot of home basketball games, bowling matches, and track meets. Make sure you get out and support your Redhawks. Red Hawk Media is always searching for the next story and the next exciting event at ACIT. If you have ideas for stories or upcoming events that you would like covered in one of our programs, please visit the Pursuit online and complete the media request form. Thank you for joining us for Hawk Talk. For the staff and crew of Red Hawk Media, I'm Victoria Turcasio. We'll see you next time.